To change text color on any section in Shopify, you can use the theme editor. Here's a guide. Access Theme Editor. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Online Store, then Themes. Click on the Customize button next to the theme you want to edit. Select Section. In the Theme Editor, navigate to the section containing the text you want to change the color of. Sections are typically organized in the left-hand sidebar. Edit Text Settings. Click on the text element you want to change. This should open up text editing options in the editor panel. Look for the color options, which might be labeled as text color, font color, or similar. Choose New Color. Click on the color swatch or input field to select a new color for the text. You can choose from predefined colors or enter a custom color code. Preview changes. After selecting the new color, preview the changes in the theme editor to see how they look. Save changes. If you're satisfied with the new text color, click on the Save or Publish button to apply the changes to your live website. Repeat as needed. Repeat the above steps for any other sections or text elements you want to change the color of.